a comment, press that post notification bell so you won't miss an epic video. Peace out.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV, and we are back at it again one more time, guys, down in Jamaica, up in the hills overlooking beautiful Montego Bay. Very rainy though, guys, but apart from that, guys, thank you for tuning in one more time to the channel. Thank you guys, we appreciate it. Blessing and prosperity to all of you guys that tuning in from wherever that you are. Greetings, blessing to you and your family. So guys, here I have that just recently passed to go to his high school, and we got some stuff. We're just gonna let the father, go through them. Shirts, yeah, those are some boxes. Some shirts here also. Yeah. What's it? Some shorts here for you also. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, so you have some marina ears. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. You got a nice backpack to go to school. A nice backpack to go to school. Yeah. Yeah, see yes, give a thanks to Manix Robinson TV. Big up all the subscribers. Respect and loyal and always be honorable, because this type of energy is a productive move. And for my son to see this type of energy that he's getting to go to a new school term, he's gonna get motivated by Manix Robinson TV. So all the fans, my respect, and keep the good works up, because a lot of kids love what's going on. God bless you all. Manix Robinson TV. Alright, my brother, that's how we do it. Alright? All the best on your new endeavor. Put your head to your book, study hard, because sometimes it can be rough out there, but when you settle down, put your head to your book, you will become something great in life. Alright? Blessing to you, blessing to your family, and all the best on your new endeavor in school. Alright? All the best. Yes, thank you, Manix Robinson TV. Give a thanks to all the viewers and subscribers. As you hear, hit that notification bell and leave a comment in the comment section. In the comment section. Peace out. God bless you all. Amen. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for stopping by. So guys, there you have it. That's how we do it on Manix Robinson TV. We don't play around here. We don't scam around here. We don't general people around here. We do what we can out of the liquor that we have, because that's how we do it on the Manix Robinson TV. That's how we do it, guys. We cannot do it by ourselves. We do it together, and we reach there together. Alright? Have yourself a blessed one. I'm gonna tune you out right now, showing you Montego Bay. Even though the rain just done fall, I'll give you a nice picture scene of Montego Bay. Have a blessed one.